Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, we are going to be talking about 5 different ways that you can brand your small business without spending any money at all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. The number one way I recommend marketing your small business is always through social media, and more specifically, TikTok and Instagram Reels. These are 2 platforms that you can grow so quickly on these days, and so many people underutilize them. By creating daily videos on both TikTok and Instagram Reels, you're going to be able to reach such a wide audience, and your content is going to be pushed out to people who aren't just following you. Meaning that if you only have 100 followers, you could still have a video go viral with thousands or hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. Those views should translate into sales for your small business, which is why TikTok and Instagram Reels specifically are so important to use for free marketing. Now, I have tons of tips and tricks already on how to use TikTok and Instagram. They will be linked in the description box down below for you guys if you want to go and check out more. In these videos, I share a lot of tips and tricks on how to use both TikTok and Instagram Reels to really leverage your small business. Just some quick tips for you guys today though would be to, 1, always make sure that you are using videos and try and refrain from using photos and the weird transition clips. I would also make sure to include trending sounds or use trending sounds to create video content for your business. Lastly, make sure you're including hashtags that are relevant to you and your business and what you are selling. Don't just go willy-nilly and put a bunch of hashtags on everything. You want to put actually only a small handful of hashtags for Instagram and then only 2 to 3 for TikTok. And they need to be whatever it is that is centered on your type of video. So again, I'll link those videos down below if you want to learn more about TikTok and Instagram Reels and how to use them to leverage your small business. Those videos are going to be so helpful. My second way I would market a small business that is actually free is kind of another social media platform, and it's Pinterest. A lot of people know that they should be using Pinterest and know that it has a lot of potential to do really well, but a lot of people still aren't using it to grow their businesses, which is kind of mind-boggling to me because I personally was able to grow one of my first Etsy businesses to a successful full-time income just through Pinterest, guys. Just through Pinterest. This was before the TikTok craze and before the Instagram, well, not before Instagram and TikTok, definitely before TikTok, but you know, Instagram was not what was doing it for me back then. Pinterest is a fantastic platform right now because again, it is also utilizing and building new features out that small creators and businesses like ourselves can use to leverage and make sales. I specifically would focus on the idea pins. Idea pins are going to be your long, vertical, short form video content. Again, if you got anything from this video, short form video content on Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Pinterest idea pins are so helpful, guys. This is what people want to see nowadays. This is the type of content people are consuming, and it's going to help grow your business. The idea pins are just videos that you are putting onto your Pinterest page. They are going to be able to get more reach for your Pinterest page without you really doing anything crazy with them. However, what's great about them is that you can reuse your TikToks and your Instagram Reels on Pinterest as idea pins. So you're getting double the coverage, honestly triple the coverage if you're using your videos on TikTok and Instagram and Pinterest, and boom, you're getting so much more traffic, you're getting more people's eyes on your business, and you're gonna start growing and making more sales. Keep in mind with the Pinterest idea pins that if you can include the sticker option to add a link, I would do that. This is a great way to add a link directly to your product. You may also have to have your actual website or your business linked through your business Pinterest account, so make sure you have that set up first. If you can't do that, always link it in the notes section of the idea pin, or if you're creating a regular Pinterest pin, always link directly to your item so that when people click on that item, they can go and shop whatever it is that they're seeing in the video or in the photo. The next way to market your small business for free is through influencer gifting. Now, we're gonna get into this, so we'll get a little nitty-gritty on it because this is something I haven't really talked a lot before about here on this channel. As a small business, if you really want to leverage your growth and reach out to a new audience, and particularly an ideal ideal audience. Then you can use the influencer gifting strategy. Now, if you look at top brands like beauty products and clothing stores, you probably see that a lot of your favorite people you follow on Instagram and a lot of your favorite influencers will receive this product either for free or perhaps they're doing a paid collaboration. Now, since we're just talking about free options today, that's what I'm going to focus on, but you 100% could pay an influencer to have a more heavy-setted collaboration with you as a business. So you might have to pay them a flat rate fee and then they would create for you an Instagram post or a reel, stories, Pinterest pins, TikToks, YouTube videos, whatever it is that you are hoping to have them create. But as far as the free version of this goes, it would look more like reaching out to influencers that already engage and love your content or your products, or even ones that you think have your ideal customers as their following. You can reach out to them and simply say, hi, I love your feed, like I love your social media platforms, your aesthetic is very much in line with our business. We would love to gift you one or two of our products from our store. And honestly, I would say that you could ask if they would do a gift exchange for the content promotion. However, I'm going to tell you a lot of influencers probably won't do that these days. A lot are going to look for at least a small fee. So instead, what you would just say is, I would just love to gift you this product. You don't necessarily have to include it, but we would love to just include you on our PR list where we send you a new product every now and then so that you can try it and use it. And if you love it, feel free to share it, but we're not putting any guidelines on that. This is what a lot of big companies do anyways, and I think that small businesses can do this as well. If you've got the room in your budget to allow someone to have a product of yours and then showcase it in a natural way that's not paid for advertising, then why would you not do that? It's a great thing to add into your marketing budget and your advertising plan so that you can grow your business and also build up your actual brand following. And just in case you're not really familiar with the whole influencer kind of exchange thing, you can always reach out to them via their social media platforms or if they have their email available to you. This tip is going to be very, very helpful because a lot of people don't realize the influence that influencers have on their communities. Think about it as yourself. When you're scrolling on Instagram or through TikTok, how many times have you come across a video or a post of something that someone has shared and you immediately went to their bio or a link and you purchased whatever that was? That is exactly what you're hoping this influencer can do for you, and you're hoping that they'll love your product enough that they'll want to share that without even having to be compensated. You can grow this plan, like I said earlier, to something that is more of a paid kind of style influencer collaboration, because influencers do a lot of work, and guys, they are not going to do this stuff for free. They're not going to necessarily just share your product for free. If you are gifting it to them for free and you don't have any necessary guidelines or expectations, then they might post it or they might not, and you can't really get upset about that. However, if you want to do a specific guideline where you need these deliverables from them, you're then going to have to pay for them. But there is a free way to do it, like I mentioned here on this tip, and it's one that a lot of small businesses don't utilize. The fourth way that you can market your small business for free is through local sources. This is something a lot of people, again, don't utilize because they think more just about online and less about in person. And this is a great way to grow your business. One of the first and easiest things you can do is give a bunch of your business cards to your friends and family and have them pass them out to people as they come up in conversation. A lot of times I have family members and friends who they'll be having a conversation with someone else, and things that I do or sell as a small business will come up in conversation, and they'll say, oh, you need to go and check her out, or you need to go and follow her here and X, Y, and Z. And it's a great way to build that word of mouth, and it's a great way to grow your business locally and not just online. There are also tons of resources out there locally for people to promote their businesses, whether it's through special events or programs or fairs that maybe don't even have an entrance level fee, or even things like posting your business cards in local spots or adding flyers or whatever it is. Honestly, just getting it out there and using all of the free resources that you can to promote your small business in person in your local town is going to be a great way to market your business for free. And lastly, as a small business, you should be marketing through email. If you do not already have an email list built, then you should be working on this every single day in your business. Create something that is going to be a freebie or a discount or a bonus for signing up for your email group, and encourage people to sign up for it. Then once you've started building out your list, you can then send weekly emails or even a few emails a week to people promoting new products, promoting sales, or new launches that you're going to be having coming out soon. This is a great way to engage with the audience that you already have, and a great way to build build a community as well. I personally like to use a program called MailChimp, but there are a ton out there that you can use, and some website platforms like Wix already have some built in for you that make it really easy. Question of the day for you guys: what do you sell in your small business? I am so curious to know. Please feel free to leave it down below in the comments, and if you have a link to your own website or Etsy shop, feel free to leave that down below too. We can all go love and support each other, and I can't wait to hear from you guys. Right here on the screen, I'm going to link for you another video all about how to get started with TikTok and the strategy that I use to grow to over 40,000 followers, as well as an entire playlist full of other small business and Etsy related tips and tricks. Down here, you're going to find my subscribe button so you guys can stick around for more videos. And lastly, I'm going to be linking you guys to my lifestyle channel where I'll be uploading new fun lifestyle content on the reg. And without further ado, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys!